As of September 2021, YouTube has introduced new requirements for creators to earn revenue from their Shorts videos. Previously, creators could earn revenue from Shorts through the YouTube Partner Program, YPP, which required a channel to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. However, with the introduction of Shorts, YouTube has created a separate eligibility criteria for creators to earn revenue from their Shorts. Creators must now meet the following requirements. Create original content. Creators must ensure that their Shorts are original and do not contain any copyrighted material. Follow community guidelines. Creators must comply with YouTube's community guidelines, which outline the types of content that are not allowed on the platform. Meet monetization policies. Creators must adhere to YouTube's monetization policies, which outline the types of content that are eligible for monetization on the platform. Meet Shorts eligibility criteria. Creators must meet the eligibility criteria for Shorts, which include having a channel in good standing and complying with YouTube's terms of service and community guidelines. Follow ad policies. Creators must also adhere to YouTube's ad policies, which outline the types of ads that are allowed on the platform and how they can be placed. Once a creator meets these requirements, they can monetize their Shorts through a variety of advertising formats, including display ads, skippable video ads, and non-skippable video ads. Creators can also earn revenue through YouTube's Super Chat and Super Stickers features, which allow fans to make donations during live streams and premieres. It's important to note that while creators can earn revenue from their Shorts, the revenue may be lower than what they would earn from longer videos. Additionally, Shorts revenue may not be available in all countries, and creators should check with YouTube to ensure that they are eligible for revenue from Shorts in their country.